No. Hold on. Get it! Deacon! Come here! I'm taking this video for you. Get it, Deacon! He's like, what the... Oh, he got it! Oh, give me that, you little shit. I'll put it on Dakota. Dakota's flipping out. He doesn't know what the hell it is. Dakota, come here. Come here. Come here, I'll get it off. I bet it won't even faze Cosmo. Come here, Cosmo. Come here. Come here. Fucking... There. You know what? It doesn't even faze him. Fucking retard. Alright. I'll send you this video. Alright, bye. Well, I'll probably have to upload it to a website, and then you'll have to click the website.